Cucuzza squash 2 ways. Before we do anything with this, we're gonna make a sauce vierge. Boil, ice bath, peel, quarter, core, dice. Mince a shallot, combine in a bowl. Flaky salt, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic, in the fridge it goes. Now it's time to talk about what you actually came here for, which was this, you know, all 24 inches of it. Peel, slice, score. Get some nice color on these. Look at how beautiful that is. In the oven. A little bit of parsley. For the other half, slice into rounds. Now for the pasta. Drain, give it a little olive oil to prevent it from sticking. Fry, baby, fry. Onto a paper towel they go. These little seeds provide an incredible textural contrast. Last but not least, the sauce. Olive oil in. Anchovies. Onion and garlic in. Capers and dried oregano in. Okay, everybody in. Turn. Turn. Fresh grated parm and fresh minced parsley. And there you have it. And that's it. We came, we saw, we conquered. Cucuzza 2 ways. What are you gonna do about it? I need a fork.